Okay, Carla. So you asked about switching a note or turning like a note into like an app. And I think here's a workaround. Instead of adding something at the bottom and trying to moving it up the page. So I'm going to edit this activity, and then I'm going to click on the little editing pencil in the component, and then it allows me to replace the applet. So I'm going to replace the applet. If you have one created, you can also search for an applet, but that would need to be a standalone applet, which might not be the case. So I'm just going to create an applet from scratch, and I'll make it a geometry applet, and then I'm going to put uh, that segment in, and then I'm going to customize the toolbar, but I'm not going to customize the toolbar, but you know how to customize the toolbar now. Click on done. And then I will need to make sure to show the tools on my toolbar. So I need to go to the advanced setting and show toolbar. And so that might be the best way to fix the note would be to replace it with another app.